Bro, you need a car to stand out. But look at the calipers. We got the whole POV of this now. Bro, what's up, guys? We're back with another video. It's Leo from Cali Car Society.
What's going on, guys? It's Ziggy from Cali Car Society. Today we got a little crazy video. We got a Lambo for you guys. It's a Lamborghini Urus. It's a regular Urus. It's not a Performante or S. But we just want to show you a little bit around the car. We're going to do a quick POV. We're in downtown LA right now, so obviously the views look crazy with the car. Do it again, bro.
It's okay, go. Keep going. We'll keep the... Yeah, guys, we got a crazy car for you guys, bro.
Slide green with black and green stitching. We have the carbon ceramics on this one, so it stops pretty good. Let me show you around the car real quick. Honestly, for a regular looking Urus, the green always accentuates a Lambo. Just something about the slime green Lambos, that shit is different. It makes me feel like a rapper or some shit. So let me down in the comments below. Hey guys, so let me know down in the comments below if you guys fuck with this car, if you guys like it. Honestly, it's a good all-around car. It looks exotic. You got space. It's fast.
But look at the calipers. We got the calipers matching the car.
The biggest production caliper they've made so far.
Bro, look at this. Matching the green.
Yeah, so it's a pretty sick car, honestly. The specs crazy. Okay, so we're gonna check out the interior real quick.
Yeah, guys, let us know down in the comments. If you guys are brand new to the channel, bro, look at this. Of course, we need that. Showing people that it's a Lambo.
This one's not that crazy. It's the black with the green stitching, but still, it stands out, you know? Like, the shorties, when they get in the car, they want to post a little story with the backrest on the Lambo. We got the sunroof and shit.
Bro, we got the carbon fiber.
We got the fucking sound system. So
yeah, a lot of people they're not a big fan of these Lamborghini Uruses, but I don't know. Let us know down in the comments, guys, what you guys prefer, a Urus or a Cullinan?
I'm taking this
over a Cullinan, a Rolls Royce Cullinan.
It's more fun. Cullinan, like, it's more like you look good in it. It's a status, but I mean, this drive's fun. It's fun to drive.
All around car, no, for sure.
I'm gonna do a couple revs for you guys so you can listen to it.
Let us know. And let's see how this car looks outside, bro. So this is basically how it's gonna look as if you were to drive this car. With the city lights, I'm telling you guys, the slime green Urus at night is just crazy. Yeah, there's a couple. Yeah, you're good. Guys, just in case you guys didn't know, there are two police trucks over there. But honestly, this car is pretty sick.
Alright, let's hop in. Let's go on that POV.
Now we got the whole POV of this now. Bro, let us know now. Hey, we're gonna have two different POVs because I got the meta glasses too.
Now, gotta hop in.
Outside in downtown LA, guys, in a Lamborghini Urus.
Should I go this tunnel or the next one?
No, just go straight. Just do like a little go on the block.
I'm gonna hit the tunnel.
And then we'll hit the tunnel. Let the viewers see a couple on the road.
ass tires and the R6. Damn. I wouldn't even ride that shit like that. That's crazy.
Solid cool.
That was kind of mid.
I mean, it's stock, it's not tuned or anything.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want more content like this on the Cali Car Society page, hit that like button, hit that comment section. Let us know some ideas for some new videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.